This is a demonstration of the object manipulation modes in the Hello World 3D program. So I'm going to start with the eye being the sky camera, and the object being manipulated is the red cube. I'll start with rotations using the left mouse button. So there's Y, there's X. Now I'll move to translations using the right mouse button. And finally, Z translation using the middle or both left and right buttons. Okay, now I'm going to switch the object manipulated to the blue cube, just so you can see this. There, now that's the object being edited. I'm now going to switch the view from the sky camera to the red cube, which is looking away from us, to the blue cube, which is looking away from us as well. If I now rotate it, there we can see the red cube. What I want you to notice here is that we're using ego motion. So if I do rotation, moving the mouse to the right turns the cube to the right. There's left motion, up motion, down motion. Now moving on to translation. So it's think of this as the blue cube. It's ego motion, so it's the blue cube that's moving to the right, moving to the left, moving up, moving down. Now with the middle mouse button, it's moving forward, it's moving backwards. Now if I switch the object being manipulated to cube 1 again, now cube 1 is behaving the same way that it did when the view was the sky camera. So I'll switch the object now to the sky camera and the view to the sky camera, and I'm in world sky frame mode. So think of this as allowing me to manipulate the entire world. So let's start with rotations. So it's actually the camera that's moving. The scene's not moving. It just looks like the scene's moving because of the relative motion. So there are rotations. Here's translation. And it was a right mouse button translation. And here's middle mouse button translation. Okay, so finally, I'll switch mode to sky frame. Again, this is ego motion. So here's rotation. So the sky camera is rotating to the right, to the left, up, down. Now let's switch to right mouse button translation. Camera moves to the right, to the left, up, down. Finally, middle mouse button translation. The camera moves forwards, backwards.